this is a very simple chit chat video जहाँ पे I give you updates on my life and how it has changed throughout this quarantine and मैं क्या क्या कर रही हूँ. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. All of this started when my school had officially ended and जैसे जैसे स्कूल एंड हुआ वैसे वैसे मेरी प्रोडक्टिविटी कम होती गई और जैसे जैसे मेरी प्रोडक्टिविटी दिन में से कम होती गई मेरा पारा चढ़ने लगा. मुझे अपने ऊपर गुस्सा आने लगा बिकॉज आई रियली डिडंट वांट दिस समर टू be spent like how it was going before in June. So I searched about a lot of things. मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें try की, बहुत सारे sources लगाने की कोशिश की on Facebook, Instagram, different places. तो मैंने सोचा कुछ भी online मिल जाता, कुछ भी I'll do it. Now I really wanted to do something which could help people, especially in this pandemic. And मेरी knowledge या फिर मेरी help किसी के काम आ जाती तो that would be the best thing in this situation. I participated in a few challenges where youth needs to come up with innovative ideas in order to tackle with the situation and all of that. So I participated in that and that was something really small. But now what I'm doing is I'm basically अब आते हैं मेन बात पे. Currently I am doing an internship at one of the US based coding company which is founded by a 12-year-old girl known as Samaira Mehta, and she is an amazing person and an amazing entrepreneur as well at the same time. So her company is about coding, programming, and I've always been interested in that, and she posted about this internship, so I really wanted to be a part of it. I applied for it, I gave my interview. We started off really soon with the internship, so it started in late June I guess, and वो start हो गई. उसके बाद there was an event that she organized. So it was all about entrepreneurship and I'd never tried something in business or anything. So I thought why not give it a go. So I also participated in her Boss Biz event. जो लोग मुझे Instagram पे follow करते हैं they would know about it. I was promoting it a lot. Currently I am busy with that internship and that 2-week entrepreneur course which is more of a pitch fest rather than just a course. So these are the two things. And the third thing is another internship that I'm doing with an organization who works with special needs children and the people basically who have difficulty in learning, and their organization is known as Center of Inclusive Care, and I really wanted to be a part of it because I have worked with children and it has been an amazing experience throughout this year. I applied for it, I gave 2 interviews surprisingly, and then I went up for it and I am doing that internship as well. Now the third but not the least, and the third internship that I'm doing is at an educational consultancy company. Oh my god, this took me years to speak. That company is known as D Educational. So basically they send students abroad and they are with them throughout the application process, immigration, visa, ticket, हर चीज़ में वो साथ रहते हैं. Even when the student has reached there, उसके बाद भी they are there for the accommodation things and the fee structure and जो भी formalities पूरी करनी होती है throughout their education abroad, they do it all and they do it with all expertise. So if you are interested in going abroad for masters, for foundation or for university, please go ahead and contact them. Their contact details are all in the descriptions below, and you can go ahead and follow them on Instagram. You can go and visit their website, or you can even go and have a meeting with them either on Skype or for a walk-in. You can do it all, and they're amazing people with the 7 years of experience, and they're gonna help you out throughout this process. Even in this pandemic, they're doing so much for the students so that the youth can actually go abroad and learn a lot and then obviously come back and serve our country. So that's about it, and these are the 4 things that I'm busy in. This is not me bragging or exaggerating on the things that I'm doing. I really want all of you as well कि ऐसी opportunities avail करें, and especially in this time where people really need our help. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram or anywhere else. And मेरे social media accounts भी नीचे ही होंगे. And do make sure you check out these companies and the events that are going on, because अब तो हर चीज़ online ही हो गई है. So why not take advantage of it? Yeah, oh yes. आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि आज की वीडियो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, ऐसे नहीं ख़त्म होनी चाहिए। ख़त्म होनी चाहिए तो एक शेर के साथ। अर्ज़ किया है दुनिया बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं, दुनिया बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं, अगर गए तो वापस आने का नहीं। ये नहीं, कभी कभार अनप्लान टैलेंट बाहर आ जाता है इस सबके थ्रू। तो लेट्स give it a shot for these opportunities. Go ahead and avail all of these opportunities and make sure you let me know in the comments if you really feel this video was productive and you got help for something that you really wanted to do. Agar aap coding mein interested hai, go ahead and contact Samira. She's an amazing person. If you are interested in business, go ahead and contact her because she's an amazing entrepreneur. Abroad jana hai, contact her de-educationist ko. So give it a like if you really feel this is productive. नहीं भी है तो कर दो यार, press that subscribe button because it really motivates me. I'm making videos for you guys. Share it with your friends so that they can know it about as well. And I'll see you in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, stay safe.